Do you want to have different PLR licenses defined? We're going to be defining the different PLR licenses from the most restrictive to the least restrictive. So stick around to the end so you can find out what each of the licenses contain. And at the end there's also going to be a dad joke. So let's go check it out. Firstly, what does PLR stand for? PLR stands simply for private label rights. Unfortunately, a lot of people do tend to misrepresent what PLR actually is. And one of the things I'm trying to do in this video is to define what private label rights is, what master resale rights is, what resale rights are, what all the other rights around them are. And we want you to specifically know what type of rights are out there so as you don't get yourself into any trouble. So let's go check out what they are. Now, private label rights can be defined in many different ways, but if you are strictly using the term private label rights, then it is a very specific type of right. And to be perfectly honest, not all rights are equal. So let's go check them out now. The one we're looking at right now is actually personal use rights. This is definitely the most restrictive of them all. What can you do? You can use it for personal use rights, and that is it. You can't use it for anything else. If you try to sell this, you try to do anything offline or online with this, you try to use this in any other way except for personal learning, then you're going to get in trouble. Especially when the owner of the rights looks at it and says, hang on, I never gave private label rights to this. I only gave personal use rights. So why are you trying to sell this? You're trying to profit from my hard work. And unfortunately, you will get it, possibly even sued by the owner of the book. Do not try and sell anything that has personal use rights. You will get in trouble for it. Alright, so let's go check out what the next one is. The next most restrictive is called resale rights. Now, what can you do with resale rights? Well, you can be sold. That's okay. Can use personal use rights. Can be packaged with other products. Can modify and change the sales letter. Now, don't confuse the sales letter with the product. The sales letter means the website that's come on there, and you can modify it to what you like. You can change the sales letter, but you cannot change the product. You can add it to a paid membership site. You can put your name on the sales letter and offer it as your own. You can be offered as a bonus. Can be used to build a list. So in other words, if you want to give it away to get somebody's name and email address. Can be used as print and published offline. Can convey and sell personal use rights, and can sell resale rights. But you cannot. Now the cannots are really important for you to understand. You cannot modify or change the main product. You cannot modify or change the graphics of the e-cover. You cannot give away for free except to get an email address. You cannot be added to a free membership website, and you cannot convey or sell master resale rights or private label rights. So that is perhaps the next most restrictive one along. Now let's go along and have a look at the next one. The next one is called master resale rights. Now master resale rights, they're definitely a little bit less restrictive, not by much, but a little bit. You can be sold, can be used for personal use rights, can be packaged with others, can modify and change the sales letter. Once again, don't get that mixed up. Can be added to a paid membership website, can put your name on the sales letter, can be offered as a bonus. Can be used to build a list, can print and publish offline, can convey and sell personal use rights. Here comes the change. Can and convey and sell resale rights as well as master resale rights, but you cannot modify or change the main product. You cannot change the graphics or e-cover. You cannot give away for free, cannot be added to a free membership website, and cannot convey or sell private label rights. Now that is master resale rights. Once again, you try to modify this product and sell it changed, you'll get yourself in trouble. So do not change the actual product. You can change the website, but not the product. So let's go and have a look at the next one. The next one is a little bit less restrictive. It's master resale rights with giveaway rights. This is a little bit less restrictive once again. It has everything that the master resale rights had, except now you can give this away for free. There is a completely different thing here. So you can give it away for free. If you have a look over here, you can. This one said no, you cannot give it away for free. This one here says yes, you can give it away for free. So as you can see, there is a difference. So this one has giveaway rights, and so obviously it has all the same rights except for that one, and all the no's are just as important as all the yeses. So just keep that in mind. So now we're going to be going over to the next least restrictive one, and this one is much less restrictive compared to master resale rights. This one can be sold, can be used for personal use, can be packaged with other products, can modify and change the sales letter, and here comes the kicker. You can modify and change the main product. So this one you can actually change. You can modify and change the graphic covers. You can add to paid membership sites, can put your name on it, can be offered as a bonus, can be used to build a list, can print and publish offline, can convey and sell personal use rights, can convey and sell resale rights, can convey and sell master resale rights. But what can't you do? You cannot be given away, cannot be added to a free membership website, and cannot convey and sell private label rights. These are all really important because you don't want to get yourself sued. And if the owner of or the creator of the site, of the ebook or whatever it is you happen to be doing, notices you're breaking the rules, they will take you to court and you will lose. So let's move on to the next one. The next one is way less restrictive. This one is private label rights with giveaway rights. Now this is exactly the same as the private label rights one, except for the difference here, which is can be given away for free, but you cannot add it to a free membership website, and you cannot sell private label rights. So you can't sell this with the private label rights, but you can sell it with personal use rights, resale rights, and master resale rights. And of course you can change the main product as well. So this one is private label rights with giveaway rights. Now comes to the last one. Now the last one is perhaps the best one of all, primarily because this one here is called Unrestricted Private Label Rights License. And what can you do with this? Anything you want. And here it is at the very bottom. You can do whatever you want with this product. You can edit the product. You can put your name on as the author. You can be broken up down into articles, can be used as web content, can be used as e-course or autoresponder series, can be translated to other languages, can edit the sales page and graphics, can be given away in any format, can be added to a paid membership site, can be added to a free membership site, can be bundled or packaged, can be offered as a bonus, can be sold in any format, can be sold on auction sites, can be sold on forums, can sell private label rights, can sell master resale rights, can sell basic resale rights, can sell personal use, can be published offline, and can do whatever you want with this product. Now this one is without a doubt the least restrictive of them all. Now if you can manage to get your hands on an unrestricted private label rights, you have got your hands on some gold, especially if it's well created. And if it's a well created private label rights product that you can edit and do whatever you like with it, then you have literally got your hands on paper gold, if you want to call it that, because this one has no restrictions. You can do anything with it, and that's the best part about it. There is no restrictions. So this one here is one of my favorite things in the world. Now you can also sell this with private label rights, and a lot of these other terms won't allow you to sell. In fact, none of these others will allow you to be able to sell private label rights except the unrestricted private label rights. If you can get your hands on the unrestricted private label rights of any product, then believe me, it is worth the money. Alright guys, that's all there is for this particular video. Let's go do the dad joke. A wife says to her husband, "Darling, do you think a little bit of common sense would prevent a lot of divorces?" The husband looks at her and says, "Well, I'm sure it would keep a lot of people from getting married in the first place." Alright guys, if you like this video, please consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing and hitting the bell icon so you can be notified whenever we upload more videos. Hey, while you're at it, why not consider sharing and also leave a comment down below. Now over here is a video that I recommend that you'd like to watch. Now down here is a video YouTube would like you to be able to watch. And over here is an icon where you can actually subscribe to my channel. Alright guys, thanks for watching and bye for now.